First things first. It's about to go into the Biggie lyrics, but I'll stop. Hi loved ones, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Virginia from Virginia, and from my heart to yours, I cover style, beauty, and sometimes hair. So we're gonna jump right into this. Today, I am going to be going over what I believe to be my most impressive Zara purchase / haul. So I hope that I don't talk fast because I get a little excited. I'm really excited about even some of the outfits that I put together and some of the ideas that spun out of this try-on and haul. I just really hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. Let's go. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and talk about what I'm already wearing, and I'm wearing it because it was the first thing that I tried on right out of the box, and y'all are getting this firsthand. Like, I just tried everything on and I'm doing this now. But I love this top for so many reasons. It is the poplin top with ruffles. It is $39.90, and I love it because it is big chested friendly. It fits my chest, it looks appropriate, it's not showing too much cleavage, and then at the same time, y'all know my dimensions: big, small, medium, I guess you could say, or average. But it hugs my stomach, so you can see that I'm not shaped like a box. I have large chested, and then I have a small waist. So I really like how it hugs my waist and even just gives me it's so romantic, it's so cute, it makes me feel sexy. I love it. I just love it, and it's just so beautiful. I'm going to go back to the site to really find some more tops that is this flavor. I'm really in the market for very girly summer type of tops that even, I could put on a blazer in the fall or an undershirt in the winter. Oh, I didn't even think about that. Whoa. Turtleneck. A turtleneck under this. Oh my gosh. Anyways, so anyway, I'm really in the market for very girly tops that look very nice when I record my videos, as well as to be comfortable, cute, and look more like a lady instead of a little girl during the summertime. So I will be on the hunt for more of these. The next item I'm going to introduce is this white poplin oversized shirt. It is $39.90, and I fell in love with this shirt, one, because I realized I really can wear this by itself. We'll see how that goes, as well as with the next item that I purchased. I paired it with this black pleated skirt, and let me tell you, when I first tried the skirt on, when I opened the box, I didn't like it because I thought I did not expect pleats. I gotta start reading. I don't know why I don't be reading these descriptions. I just be thinking, I would see the picture and I say, oh, that's exactly what I want and what I was looking for. I was looking for more ruffles, not pleats. Pleats for me, I feel like look way too little girl-like. But when I paired it with this poplin oversized shirt, I fell in love. I'm keeping it. It's done. I think I liked it a lot better because the pleats in the skirt is not long, but I'll have to keep it up so that it doesn't make me look like a little girl. Also, for a frame of reference, I got the poplin shirt in small as well as the skirt. I also got this ruffled top in a medium. Really think I've hit my sweet spot with Zara tops, and I think I'm a true medium. All right, let's go on to something a little more basic. I saw this ribbed crop top. Didn't know it was a crop top, but because it did not say crop top, it says ribbed top. I'm pretty sure in the description probably does say crop top, but nonetheless, I got a medium, fits perfectly. It was $11.80. I wasn't too keen on the color. I know I wanted it because it was like nude. So I still got it anyway. I made a mistake and bought two, but one of those are going back because I don't need two. I actually would like one in white. I really would like one in white. But I paired it with some brown pants, and I was just so excited when I was styling it a little bit. Just a little bit. It wasn't styling it, but styling it a little bit. Just for me and for the video. I grabbed one of my cream blazers, and it just, I'm really loving this neutral journey that I'm going on. And if I can just get my closet right, it'll be cool. I'm gonna stick with and finish up shirts first. And the next item that I received or bought is one that everybody has in one shape or fashion. And it's the Zara padded t-shirt. I love this because even though I wrote a blog post about doing away with white t-shirts and kind of like in general, I love the sophistication that the pads bring to the whole flavor of wearing a t-shirt. And it just really sets a t-shirt apart, a woman's t-shirt apart from a man just wearing a regular white tee. I really like it. It's very sophisticated, and it really goes with my love for wearing high-waisted pants. And so that's what I'll be wearing these with. I have these in white, cream, and black. You'll see later when I show you pants that I bought from Zara, you'll see that I switched out to a cream shirt that I got from another store that I love. But when it comes to trends, I kind of try to do one of each color. If I can find a chocolate brown, oh my gosh, it's so hard to find brown basics nowadays, which is so weird, but here we are. The last top that I picked up from Zara is the high collar shirt, the nude color. If the black and the white come back in stock, I will be getting those as well. This was my purchase, the one purchase that was like, I gotta get something for work for the summer. This was it. And I'm so, aside from how I styled it, like not even aside from how I styled it, but because of how I styled it predominantly, I love this shirt. And I just love the colors. I'm just loving all these neutrals. And this really helped me to see that I need to go in search of some chocolate brown shorts, because I cannot, the pants that I paired with this, which are from another store, are like a kind of a heavy knit material. But we're thinking about summer. I also love this shirt because it's sleeveless and I can easily drape a blazer over it, as well as the color can be combined with so many things. So I'm really excited about this. I'm even really excited about really flossing this at work because it just looks so sophisticated. And this is the one thing that I was so impressed with myself with this Zara purchase, is that I got a lot of things that I was able to style and really get the look that I've been going for lately, which is just sophisticated and classic styling. All right, we're gonna get right on into this next item, and y'all don't come for me because I know sometimes I contradict myself, but I mean, not really. So here I purchased the Rustic Pants with a belt, and they were $49.90. When I first saw these, like, I think these were like a new item that was posted. When I saw these, the belt grabbed my attention. Then the paper bag, waist, it's high-waisted. I loved it. And then the color. Now, these pants are so long. I don't know. I just don't know what, I mean, I know what I can do. I'll take them to get taken up, but I don't know. I guess they're supposed to be worn to maybe flow over the heel, but I guess they're supposed to be worn to maybe fall over the shoe. However, because I'm sure, I don't know, I might rock it. I'm not sure, but I might end up taking them to get taken up. a little bit, but I love the fit. They're like, if I got a size smaller, they would probably be too small or too, maybe not too tight fitting, because it's very breathable material. The description, this is why I said don't cover me. The description was like, these are linen-like pants, and I was just like, man, forget it, I'm gonna get them anyway, even though I hate linen. But these look like they're much better material than linen. Even though I've had them like sitting here folded up, they definitely don't wrinkle as easy as linen. So, walking contradiction? Not really. But I got these in a small. My next pair of pants, I didn't even bring them down here to hold up, because I'll show me trying them on, and I'll also show them how I thought they were going to look. So as you can tell, I'm already a little disappointed with these pants, because I had my eye on these pants for a while, just because of one, the color, but two, I also liked how they look tapered on the model at the bottom of the pants. I ordered, of course, a size up, thinking that I would need a size up because of Zara sizing, because of Zara pants, and things of that nature. But I got them in a size 6, and they are a size too big. So I may switch them out and try the size down. Hopefully that will also help with the tapered bottom. It'll be a lot more tapered and a lot more, I guess, like a balloon look a little bit. But I like them because of the color, and I was battling between getting an ecru colored pair of pants from either Zara, Club Monaco, and Other Stories, or Topshop. And so I just went with Zara because they had the cheaper pair. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. Thank you so much again for tuning in. This was so fun. This was probably the most fun because I really just enjoyed the styling of some of these pieces, and I'm going to enjoy the styling of these pieces. If you like what you saw, if you like what you've been seeing, please clickety-clack on that like button. Also, tickety-type on down in the comment section and let me know. And if you feeling extra saucy, go ahead and mush the subscribe button. I would love to welcome you into the family. We are all loved ones here on Virginia from Virginia. Thank you. Stay tuned for more videos, and thanks.